Okay, so you're ready to go get some food from the vending machine. We are upstairs on our room, so just come down that little stairs. Unfortunately, there is no lift. And now let's go down this little stairs. It's small. Look at this. Woo! I'm going to do that to you guys. Okay, ready? Hold the camera.
No, yeah, okay.
Wow! Oh, Jesus! I got my card here, guys. So let's... Oh, we don't need it, do we? You only need to get in, because then it's going to go in there. Okay, so let's go. Mom, can you hold out the card? All right. Oh, there's lots of goodies. Is there a Twix? You're hoping for a Twix.
Yeah.
No. Here's the chocolate aisle. No. There's the Twix. Let's get the light shining on it. The light shining on the Twix.
Oh, it's not coming through.
No, it's 30, not 80. Very slowly.
Wait till it's accepted.
30.
You didn't do 30, you did 3.
Okay.
No.
Why isn't it working?
Because you've been pressing the black button.
Okay. Pop it in.
No, it comes through here.
What?
Okay, open. You got your Twix. Well, this is cold. It gave you change.
Where?
It should be 20 pence. Yeah. Okay, so you got your Twix. Are you excited, honey?
Yeah.
And so that's what happened. And guys, comment your favorite one from the crisps aisle, the chocolate aisle. It has a Haribo there as well. And then we have Coca-Cola drinks, and we have a Red Bull.
My
and then
favorite
we have
from here is Skittles. My favorite from here is Flavors. My favorite from here is Coke. My favorite from here is Coke. My favorite from here is that water.
that water.
Okay, so.
Well, any old water.
This is cool.
Yeah, I know. Are you gonna share a little bit with me?
Probably not.
Prop? What? You're not gonna share? How unfair is that?
Maybe.
Okay, ready? We might do a taste test on
Let's
this.
do it right so you can get out to the room quicker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, ready? No! Race! Okay, honey won on that round. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching this. And we might not do a taste test on Twix because honey's already tried Twix. It's just on new things that we do taste tests. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching from both of us. And Mom's going to end the video by saying goodbye.